Welcome to AI Build Right podcast. Emily, an AI architect and tech strategist, chats with Michael, an AI advisor experienced in systems architecture. Today's topic is using LLMs as judges for automated evaluation, exploring prompts, risks, and reliable strategies. For more insights, stay connected. Let's dive into the fascinating world of LLMs acting as judges in automated evaluations. What intrigues you most about this field?
The sheer scale at which LLMs can evaluate is truly groundbreaking. They can assess vast amounts of data with consistency and speed that
Absolutely,
humans
that's a game
simply
changer.
can't match.
When it comes to evaluating quality, safety, and correctness, what key factors should we consider in prompt design?
Prompt design is crucial. It must be precise and tailored to the specific evaluation criteria. Ambiguity in prompts can lead
That's a
to
critical point.
inconsistent results.
And what about the risk involved, like bias? How do we mitigate those in LLM evaluations?
Bias is a significant concern. One way to mitigate it is through diverse training datasets and regular audits to ensure
Regular
the
audits
model
sound
remains
essential.
fair and neutral.
I imagine that maintaining neutrality is easier said than done. What strategies can help ensure reliable evaluations?
Absolutely. Strategies like cross-validation with multiple models and incorporating human oversight can enhance reliability. It's about creating
Feedback
a
loops are
robust
key.
feedback loop.
Can you share an example where LLMs have been particularly effective as evaluators?
One compelling example is in academic writing assessments. LLMs can quickly evaluate essays for grammar, coherence, and adherence to prompt criteria,
That's incredibly
providing
efficient.
immediate feedback.
It's impressive how immediate feedback can transform learning environments. But what about the potential for error?
Errors are certainly a risk. Incorporating human-in-the-loop systems can catch and correct these errors, ensuring that the final
Human
output is both
oversight remains
accurate
crucial
and
then.
reliable.
How do you see the role of LLMs evolving in automated evaluation over the next few years?
I foresee LLMs becoming integral to more complex decision-making processes, especially as their ability to understand context improves. They could soon be evaluating in
That's an
fields like
exciting
law or
prospect.
medicine.
The implications for fields like law and medicine are profound. What ethical considerations should we be aware of?
Ethically, transparency and accountability are paramount. Users need to understand how decisions are made by these systems, and there must be
Transparency
mechanisms
is
for challenging
fundamental.
outcomes.
Can you elaborate on how these mechanisms might work in practice?
Certainly. Implementing detailed logs of decision-making processes and allowing for human review of contested
Detailed logs
decisions
make
are
a
two
lot of
practical
sense.
approaches.
With all these advancements, how can we ensure that LLMs remain a tool rather than a replacement for human judgment?
Maintaining the role of LLMs as tools involves clear delineation of tasks. They should support and enhance
Supporting,
human
not
capabilities,
supplanting, well
not
said.
supplant them.
How do you see the collaboration between humans and AI evolving in this context?
I see a future where AI augments human intelligence, providing insights and efficiencies that humans can interpret and apply
A
creatively.
partnership
It's a
indeed.
partnership.
Looking at the current landscape, what are most pressing challenges we face in scaling LLM evaluations?
Scalability is tied to computational resources and the quality of training data. Ensuring both are up to par is a significant challenge along
System
with
integrity
maintaining
is
system
vital.
integrity.
As we address these challenges, what role do you think interdisciplinary collaboration will play?
Interdisciplinary collaboration is essential. Combining expertise from computer science, ethics, and domain-specific fields can lead to more
Holistic
holistic
solutions
and
are what we
effective
need.
solutions.
It's clear that collaboration is key. As we wrap up this segment, what final thoughts do you have on the future of LLMs as evaluators?
I'm optimistic. As long as we approach development thoughtfully, balancing innovation with ethical considerations, LLMs can truly transform evaluation processes for the better.
That's a hopeful note to end on for now. Let's delve deeper into how we can practically implement these strategies in our next segment.
Looking forward to it. There's so much more to explore about practical implementations and the real-world impact of these advancements.
So, when we talk about implementing LLMs as evaluators, what are some of the key challenges we need to address immediately?
A major challenge is ensuring the transparency of the evaluation process. We need to understand how these models are making decisions to trust their assessments.
Transparency definitely seems crucial. How do you suggest we achieve that?
Well, one approach is to incorporate explainability tools. These can help dissect the model's decision making by providing
That makes a
insights
lot of
into its
sense.
reasoning.
And what about the issue of BIAs? That's a significant concern with LLMs being used as judges.
Bias is indeed a critical issue. To mitigate this, we need diverse datasets and continuous monitoring to ensure fairness across different contexts.
Continuous monitoring sounds resource intensive. How feasible is it to implement on a large scale?
It's definitely a challenge, but automation can help. By using automated tools to flag potential biases, we can streamline the process significantly.
That could really enhance efficiency. What about handling errors in the evaluations? How do we ensure reliability?
Redundancy is key here. By having multiple models evaluate the same data, we can cross-verify results
That's
and
a clever
reduce the
strategy.
likelihood of errors.
It's amazing how these strategies can improve reliability. Are there any specific examples where LLMs have already been successfully implemented in evaluations?
Absolutely. In educational settings, for instance, LLMs are being used to grade essays by evaluating content quality and coherence.
That's fascinating. And in terms of accuracy, how do these models compare to human evaluators?
Interestingly, in some cases, LLMs have shown comparable accuracy to human evaluators, especially when it comes to
That's
objective
impressive.
criteria.
It seems like the potential for LLMs is vast, but what are the limitations we should be aware of?
One limitation is the model's dependency on existing data. They can struggle with novel or creative tasks where there's little precedent.
That could limit their application in dynamic fields. How do we overcome these limitations?
We must invest in ongoing research and development to refine these models. Collaboration with domain experts is crucial to tailor LLMs for specific tasks.
Collaboration sounds vital. As we wrap up, what do you see as the future of LLMs in automated evaluation?
The future is promising. With continuous advancements in AI, I believe we'll see more sophisticated models that offer even greater
That's exciting
accuracy
to
and
hear.
adaptability.
Thank you for sharing your insights, Michael. It's been an enlightening discussion on the potential and challenges of using LLMs as evaluators.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to discuss such an important topic.
Absolutely. For those interested in more discussions like this, tune into the AI Built Right podcast.
One area we haven't touched on yet is the importance of ongoing training for LLMs used as evaluators. As the data landscape evolves, so too must the models.
Absolutely. Continuous updates ensure that the models stay relevant and effective. But how do we balance this with the risk of introducing new biases?
That's a critical challenge. Rigorous testing with diverse datasets can help identify and mitigate potential biases before they
That makes
become
perfect
embedded in
sense.
the system.
Speaking of testing, what are some best practices in designing prompts to ensure LLMs evaluate outputs accurately and fairly?
Prompt design should emphasize clarity and specificity. Clearly defined criteria help guide the model towards
Specificity
more
really
consistent
is key.
evaluations.
Exactly. As we wrap up, it's clear that while LLMs hold incredible potential in automated evaluation, they require careful design and oversight to truly shine.
And for those keen to explore this fascinating intersection of AI and evaluation further, the AI Built Right podcast
Couldn't
is a
agree
great
more.
resource.